Hello, welcome back to Property Couple. My name is AK.
And I'm Lia.
And this is our channel where we talk about property, business and working together as a couple.
So I'm behind the camera today, but what are we going to be doing?
We are going to be showing you round my brother's project that we're helping him with. If you remember, it's a conversion to 3 flats and we are all but there. So let's go inside, let's show you what we've done and we're excited to show you.
Nice, let's go.
Right, let's get inside. There you go, standard thumb lock. That is something that you guys will need to do for building control sign off. There's little bits and pieces. You've probably seen it in a lot of our HMO videos, things like this. Thumb locks, just real basic sort of standard stuff.
And I think the reason for it is that if there is an emergency, people need to be able to get out without their key. So they just need to be able to go like that and escape the property.
I've literally been like...
Yeah, that was really good acting. That was great. Okay, let's go for the walk around.
We have got some protective coverings on the floor just because we've still got tradesmen and that sort of stuff still walking in and out. So excuse that.
Pretend that doesn't
Use your
exist.
imagination.
Use your imagination.
Use your imagination.
Yes, let's go on.
I'm starting to notice a few of the snagging bits now, but we are not going to point those out. So, new fire alarm system for anyone interested, but that is brand new. And it was very expensive, so not my money. So We're going into flat number 1 here, and this is a beautiful 1-bed flat. So you'll remember that it's so quiet in here.
Lovely.
We've got the insulation in the walls. We've got the brand new double glazed windows.
Lovely.
I thought to myself, do you know what? This is a bedroom that is kind of on a main road. I thought, is that going to be annoying? It's really quiet in here.
Yeah, it really is. Immediately, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera sound, it just got quieter as we walked into the room, which is promising.
I love it. It's a good sort of space for a double bed here. Now you'll notice up here that we've got 2 lights that look really strange, because imagine being in bed here and being like, I just put my reading light on and it's all the way up there.
Yeah.
The reason we've done that is because we're not sure yet whether we are going to add some pendant lights, but we wanted to have the option essentially to do that. So we've left them a bit shorter for now. Those will probably hang down and become pendant lights.
Lovely.
So this is room 1 of flat 1. Just a bit of a porch area where you can just have some shoes, maybe a little shoe rack here.
Yeah, nice.
I mean, it would be probably quite good to have some coat hooks on there so that people can...
Seems like the perfect place for it, doesn't it? If you've just walked through the front door here, and you just put your coat and bag and shoes, you know what I mean, hang it all there.
So just into the living room now. You can have a couch in here, you can have a TV on the wall. The idea would be the TV would be on the wall here. Lia's just laughing probably, I'm not sure why.
I find it really funny, but I know it's nice to add that. You're like, this is where you could put a couch.
Because I'm trying
This is where you could put a TV.
I'm trying to sort of visualise, like, I'd probably have a couch along here with some sort of little tables, maybe a little coffee table there, and I would have the TV on the wall. Power switches are there, so it kind of makes sense. Completely brand new window there. Don't show the outside though, because it is a mess still.
This looks amazing.
You'll remember before that it was like a bonsai. We've gone for a sage green colour with a natural wood finish and white tiles with white grouting. So it's really clean, it's really fresh, it's really modern as well. And this is like a really nice working bench here. We've got a sink, oven, dual oven, microwave.
I know, it's such a distracting radiator, isn't it?
Such a distracting radiator. You've got tons of storage in there underneath the stairs, and we've fully tiled with that. And you've got the main bathroom to this particular apartment.
Nice. And I really like the finish on this sink as well. I think it looks really nice. And I'll show you this little extra storage area here for cleaning stuff. God, you actually get quite a lot of space in there, look. What? Wow. I just thought I'd walk all the way in. You get loads. It's giving me Harry Potter under the stairs vibes. Do you know what, Akila? This kitchen looks absolutely beautiful. It looks so good. I really, really like it.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I really like that. I love fresh oven. Nothing like it.
Fridge freezer inside, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So nice built-in units, and the washing machine is going to go there as well.
Yeah, lovely. And then is that just all storage?
No, the boiler's in there.
Oh, of course,
brand new. And then we've got the toilet for this particular flat as well. So, you want to go inside?
Yeah.
It's, you got a toilet, double shower, sink. I like the fact that it's completely tiled as well. It just feels a lot more premium. Recognise these?
Yeah, they're the same as our ones at number 15.
These are the same units.
Yeah, lovely.
Really nice finish.
Yeah, really, really good. Really like that. And these drawers all, yeah, nice. Right, let's go upstairs. And again, sorry about that very loud radiator, guys. So that's it for flat 1. Obviously, they get the garden as well, don't they?
Yeah, we'll show you guys the garden after. It is a mess, but we are sorting it. Onwards and upwards to the second floor, which has the second flat in. So happy about this handrail.
Oh yeah, I like this handrail. Oh my gosh, the blue plaster.
The blue plaster. I can't believe you're wearing a blue plaster.
Yeah, it's giving Gordon Ramsay, isn't it?
It is giving Gordon Ramsay vibes.
Why has he got a blue plaster on in the dining room?
Welcome to flat 2. The first thing you see in this flat is the kitchen, so come on through.
Wow, I just can't believe how beautiful it looks now compared to what it was.
Can you imagine?
Oh gosh, this is amazing.
So you'll remember before that this was kind of split into 2. This was the kitchen and the bathroom for this flat.
Yeah.
We have since opened it all out and created one big kitchen essentially. And it's awesome. Like you've got the sink here and just some greenery, it's really private. Again, we've gone with the same consistent sage green, natural wood, white tile finish, which is just really clean, really modern. I would definitely use this kitchen. So again, washing machine's gonna go in there, so we need to sort that, but it's just like such a nice tidy flat, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Just can't believe the change.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Really, really impressive. Okay, so you want to take me through to the next room?
Let's go through to the living room.
Okie dokie. Again, we're moving to carpet now.
So this is the living space. I mean, look, it's a cute flat, ideally designed for somebody living by themselves, really. I mean, it is big enough for 2 people, like a couple. But yeah, so this is going to be kind of the main living area. Again, potentially a couch here in the corner, TV up on the wall there, maybe a single-seater or an armchair or something in that corner there. Fantastic, really.
Yeah, and I think perhaps, could there be a little area over here where you could just put some storage? You know, when you walk through the front door of the flat, maybe there could be some coats here, and then, I don't know, maybe there could be like a little area here where you can put just a bit of storage. I don't know.
You could even have the TV there, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
And then a very small L-shaped couch in the corner here.
That would be nice.
The TV there, and I think that would make a nicer sort of like entrance.
Yeah.
And I think you're right, it is missing some coat hooks or something there just to kind of put your jackets and that sort of thing.
Okay, great. Let's have a look at the bedroom.
So we've obviously created the bathroom in this bedroom now. You remember, like I said before, the bathroom and the kitchen were kind of tiny all in one over there. When we look at fire regulations as well, to have building control sign off, the kitchen there on its own makes a lot more sense essentially. But what that means is we've created the bathroom to work as an ensuite in the main bedroom. Here's the bedroom.
Lovely.
Double bed to go here, more than likely, with the ensuite here.
It's really nice. Really, really nice. Looks great. Looks really, really good. Nice big bathroom here. Could definitely put some like units here for like toiletries and things.
Yeah.
It's perfect for one person, isn't it? Or,
it is.
you know, a young couple with perhaps that don't have a child, or,
Oh yeah, definitely.
you know.
Yeah.
And I like this little walkway. I've said it before in videos, but I like the walkway between the living room and the bedroom. I think it's nice.
Cool. Should we
Yeah.
head up to the studio?
Let's.
The loft suite.
Yeah.
So this is going to be flat number 3.
Oh, yeah.
It's the smallest one, but it's the coolest one.
Do you remember that this never used to have a door between the stairs? Remember, it was just...
We've obviously had to create this doorway here. This is a super heavy FD30 fire door, and it is really heavy.
Yeah, they have to be, don't they? Okay,
So
let's have a look, yeah.
Actually, hold on to the handrails.
Yes, I will. Thank you very much,
Very
Akila.
good workout up here.
Wow, it really is. I mean, after doing the stairs of the building, the last thing you want to do is more stairs, but, you know, you've got the privacy of this really cute loft studio.
I love this one.
I know
honestly
you
love this
do.
one. because the first thing you see is this cool little cubby hole.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I'm obsessed with this cool little cubby hole.
Get in there, Akila.
I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the boiler is in there. It's in there. So the boiler's in there, and that.
Did you love it?
I mean, you can't do anything in there.
I love it. It's so cute.
You know what? I might actually just I think just sort of like sit here, just I don't know, read a book, take my phone calls.
It's the reading corner. This is the phone call corner. Okay.
So this is the kind of porch area, or the porch area to this property. So a little shoe rack there, maybe some coat hooks again to kind of hang your jackets before you enter the studio.
Oh, lovely. Oh, wow. It's so cute.
It's really cute.
It's so nice.
Exactly the same setup with the sage green and the natural wood with the white tiles. The double bed will go here, maybe a chest of drawers either side. And if you wanted maybe a little table or something here, then that could obviously work. Now, this is definitely designed for one person.
Yeah.
It is bigger than our HMO rooms, but obviously it has all the cooking facilities, fridge, freezer, and it's going to have a washing machine as well. So it's a completely self-contained studio apartment. I also really like the ensuite here because you've got a really nice big window.
Yeah.
It's quite deep, so there's plenty of storage there.
Oh, as in like products?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's great. You could definitely utilise this space.
And it's a really great size.
And if you have got a guest over that you... I was about to say something really stupid. They could sit there and you could chat whilst you shower.
There you go.
I could sit on that.
So
yeah, lovely.
I absolutely love this one. It is so private. It feels just tucked away because that window there backs onto a shared alleyway. So, you know, it's super quiet. And you're obviously on the second floor. So you're quite sort of away from the road. And it just feels so quiet and just cozy in here.
It's really, really nice. Yeah, so that's just a little shot of the ensuite there. It's really, really nice, Akila. And you know, I was thinking for the food area, like you could get one of those tables that folds out, that also folds back, so that when you're not using it, you've got more space.
Yeah.
I see them a lot now. Gosh, really, really nice.
Cool little flat.
Love these tiles, white grouting. Yeah, really, really like it. They got a fridge freezer here. Yeah, nice. Great job.
Should we go and have a look at what is the mess of the garden?
Yeah, let's have a look at the garden.
Let's go. So the story with this is that there used to be like a little small conservatory style thing here. We knocked it down because it was rotten. And actually, there's still a hole here because, well, one, we've had to move one of the gas meters, and two, we've had to get another supply of water to essentially make sure that all three flats had their own gas and water supply, because these are going to be rented out separately, so it made a lot more sense to do that.
So was the electricity already split, but it was just the gas and the water that needed to be split?
Yeah.
3 ways.
Also, my medal has finally arrived.
You are so funny.
Please.
Top property developer.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Okay, so
Right, so what's the plan then with
excuse
this?
the mess. This is all going to be filled in. The other thing we're doing at the back is just tidying it up. It's a huge garden. You would have seen before that it was just completely overgrown. So we've cut some of these trees back here, and we've got rid of a lot of the rubbish and the grass out the back. So it's not going to look like an amazing landscaped garden.
Yeah, do you know what would be amazing? To get a tenant that's really into gardens.
Look how empty that is.
Oh my gosh,
that
remember how it was full? Is that all gone in the skip?
Yeah.
Gosh, to be honest, if you got somebody really passionate that really enjoyed their outdoor space, they could definitely do something with this area. Look at this romantic walkway.
But like I said,
So there's a lot to do. We're gonna have to tidy it.
it
Yeah.
isn't landscaped in the slightest.
Yeah.
But this was completely all overgrown up here.
Yeah.
So we've had to clear it, and we're going to just tidy it. We're going to probably put some gravel down or something. Oh, gravel? Are we doing gravel? I don't know what we're doing. Don't quote me on that. But we're going to basically be tidying this all up. So flat
funny.
1,
Yeah.
the first flat, is going to have access to this garden.
That's right.
We're going to put a fence up there on our boundary. So that flat will be the biggest, and it will have a garden basically.
Yeah, so flat 1 gets the massive kitchen and the really big garden.
Yeah.
It's just crazy, isn't it? Because it's a one bed, but you do get a lot of outside space. If that's important to you, then that flat makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
How funny how tidy next door is compared. But at least you know you've got nice neighbours when the garden's tidy.
Yeah.
Yes, as you can see, it is a massive space, goes all the way down there. And at the very beginning of the journey, you know, there was the talk about extending, but it is just adds so much onto the refurb that it's like a huge expense. It would take many, 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 many years to see back.
Yeah, doesn't make
The
sense from a
returns.
numbers perspective, does it?
No. I mean, unless you're a builder yourself and you've just got the time to do it, it just didn't make sense money-wise. So let's go. I really like this bit. Weeping Willow here. So that's pretty much a wrap on this one. Should we go to the car?
Yeah, I've just lost the key to the house, so never ideal, but let's get back to the
I
car.
promise he is a good project manager, guys. He doesn't usually lose keys.
Got it. Thank you so much for following this project. It's been a really good one. It's been a really exciting one. I've enjoyed it so much. And if you've got any comments, I'd love to hear from you guys. We're going to be posting a video on the full numbers breakdown on this as well. So hopefully you'll join us for that one. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.